Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove the default header and footer in Wix Studio. Whether you are building a landing page or custom home page or just want full control over your design, sometimes you don't want that built-in header and footer. So this is how you can do it. First thing first, what you have to do is just simply log in into your Wix Studio or Wix Standard. Now I have already logged in with my credentials, and after that what you have to do is just simply select your site, which I have this one. I have to remove the header and footer of this website. So what I will do is just simply click on the edit site or select site. So I will click on the select site, and it will take me to the dashboard of the site. Now from here, in the right corner, you will get to see there is an option of edit side. Just simply click on it. Here it will take you to the editor of the Wix website. It is where you can basically customize everything like text, images, or basically you can customize the template of your website. So give the four to few seconds to open the editor. Now there are two ways you can do that. First is you can just simply in the left side there are some option. You have to choose pages and menus. Just simply click on the pages and menus, and the pages and menus you will get to see there are site menus and sign up login. There are different pages. In the different pages there are some again there are sub pages which are basically main pages. For example, if I want to remove header and footer of a specific page, what I will do, I will just simply come on this page and menu side and click on this three dots, and after that I will click on the settings, and the settings in the go to layout. Over here, as you can see here, there are two choices where you can give a standard page, have a header at the top and the footer at the bottom. So I will choose no header and footer needed. So just simply you can change it. Now let's say you have to give the, you don't have to give, the different pages. Like for example, if about page does not have any header and footer things, so it will not give that option to of settings. But for example, if sign up has this header and footer option, click on this settings, it will give you the no sign up login has not. So and if you go to blog pages, let's see if the blog page has not. Let's see, click on the blog page has. Just simply click on the setting and go back into layouts and click on the no header footer. So this is, you can go manually check if there is any there is a layout or not. What you can do is just simply get back with the standard one. And what you can do, if for example if you want to remove the specific header from home page, just simply click on the header, right click on your header after selecting, and simply click on the delete. It will delete your uh, header. So as you can see here, maybe it is not get deleting. uh, the undo, okay, the header is not getting deleted. I don't know why. Just click on the settings or three dots. Okay, I think you can just simply do that from the standard editor. Go into pages and menus and go back into site menu, and then again go to three dots, click on the setting, go to layouts, go to no header and footer. So this is how you can remove the header and footer from your site. Let's preview this site how it looks like without a header and footer. Click on the save on the top right corner and click on the preview over here. Give few seconds to remove. As you can see, without header it looks more cleaner than anything. So yeah, this is how you can remove your header and footer. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.